Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to check out a case for the LG V40 ThinQ. This case is made by a company called PUSHIMEI. It's a soft TPU case. Let's check it out. Okay, now you can get this case from Amazon. Now, I like inexpensive cases because I don't like to use cases anyway, but this allows me to get some protection on my device when I'm out. Now, this case was $398. So, you know, I know a lot of people like to buy the name brand cases, Spigen, iBlazon, that stuff, but they cost a few dollars. But, you know, I like to save a penny if I can. So I like to check out these inexpensive cases to see how they work, to share it with you so you can check it out yourself. But this one is $398 on Prime. We're going to take a look at it and see how it fits the device. Okay, so let's go ahead and take this look at this case. Now this is a simple package here, plastic. It's got the case doesn't really have a name, to be honest with you. Best quality. I'm sure that's because this case is so inexpensive. Let's go ahead and pull it out. See what we get here. It's got in the plastic wrapper. Let's put this stuff to the side. Now here's the case. It's got like a it's not a smooth pattern inside, even though it looks like that. It looks shiny, but it's got almost like a dot matrix pattern inside. It's not smooth. It's a little bit coarse. TPU sides, shiny edges here. I like that. And you got a grippy tab right here on the side. I don't know if you can see that. This is brushed aluminum back here. Well, it's supposed to be a brushed look, not brushed aluminum. But these areas are finished and it's tapered and it's got a little shiny finish around there. That's pretty nice for $398. Carbon fiber look right there. You got an opening for the mic, the flash, the camera opening, the fingerprint sensor, Google Assistant, vibe up and down rocker, and the power button. And on the bottom you got the speaker opening for the charging port and the mic, and the 3.5mm headphone jack. No branding. I don't see any branding on here anywhere. Pretty simple case. Not too bulky looking. You got the bolstered corners right here. We're going to see how this fits the case. Hopefully it fits pretty tight and snug, and we might be able to use it. Okay, I got the LG V40 ThinQ right here. We're going to check it out. Put this inside the case. All right, so it's a nice fit, very nice fit, and it's nice and thin and sleek. Now this fits really nicely. As you can see, you got your fingerprint opening right there. The camera is protected, but not too thick. Got a finish area, I like that, did a good job. You got your carbon fiber look right here, and this is grippy. This edge here is pretty grippy, so it's sticky. So you're gonna have good grip with this, but you got enough, it's not too bulky. Now let's look at the bottom. Everything lines up there, speaker, your charging port, your mic, and your headphone jack. Very nicely done. And you got your power button right there, and you got your Google Assistant, vibe up and down rocker. Now everything works well, as you can see. It pops open right there, no problem. The mic hole lines up. Now they did a good job for $4 for this case, man. I can't complain. So I would advise you to get this if I were you. If you're looking for an inexpensive case that you can just put on when you want to, take off when you want to, looks good, feels good, fits good. And you got these bolstered corners right here that should help for some protection on the corner. The lip, you got a little bit of a lip, not too much, but you got a little bit there. So you can put it down on the surface and still not scratch the glass, but let me get a little closer there. You see how that is right there? You got a little bit of a lip there, so you're gonna be all right when you set this down on a flat surface. Okay, let's check out wireless charge. So it picks up wireless charge. I didn't think it would have a problem, but the case is so thin. Let's lay it down and see what happens. So wireless charge picks up as well. So wireless charge works pretty good. Okay, so that was a quick look at the PUSHIMEI soft TPU case for the LG V40 ThinQ. I'll put the link in the description for you so you can get it if you want to. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.